Your body is detoxing right now, even if you don't drink celery juice. Detox isn't about extreme cleanses or trendy juices. Your liver, kidneys, skin, and gut are working hard 24/7 to detoxify you. The real goal is to support these amazing organs, not replace them. So let's focus on nourishing our bodies instead of punishing them. Forget detox teas. Your liver is the real MVP. This powerhouse filters out toxins and breaks them down like a pro. It sends those nasties out through bile or urine, keeping you clean. Want to support your liver? Load up on greens, garlic, and turmeric. And hey, maybe ease up on the alcohol a bit. Your liver will thank you for it. No lemon water myths here, just a real morning detox that works. Start your day with a warm drink that actually helps. Mix warm water, a squeeze of lemon for instant results, but try to drink warm water alone. It's enough, but takes time. This combo jumpstarts your digestion and flushes out overnight waste. Trust me, hydration is key to feeling your best in the morning. If you're not pooping daily, you're not detoxing. Seriously, it's that important. Fiber is your best friend when it comes to detoxing. It binds to toxins in your gut and helps carry them out. So, what should you be eating? Think fruits, veggies, oats, chia seeds, and beans. Aim to include these in your daily meals for a healthy gut. Feeling tired or sluggish? You might just be dehydrated. Water is essential for flushing out your kidneys and moving lymph throughout your body. Aim to drink half your body weight in ounces of water every day. Staying hydrated can boost your energy and improve your overall well-being. So, grab that water bottle and keep sipping. Your sweat glands are tiny detox portals, working hard for you every day. Sweating helps remove small amounts of toxins, but it's mostly about boosting circulation. So, let's get moving. Whether it's a brisk walk, some yoga, or a relaxing sauna, find what you love. Try this 3-minute detox routine to start your day fresh. First, drink a full glass of water to hydrate your body. Next, take a minute for deep breathing. Just focus on your breath. Now, spend 30 seconds stretching to wake up those muscles. Finally, take a moment to express gratitude for something today. That's it. Remember, consistency is key to feeling great. Eat these top 5 detox foods and your liver will thank you. First up, garlic. It's not just for flavor, it boosts detox enzymes. Next, we have broccoli. This green powerhouse helps flush out toxins. Beets are a must. They support liver function and improve digestion. Don't forget lemon. A splash of this citrus can enhance detoxification, and last but not least, green tea. It's packed with antioxidants that aid detox. Your liver loves greens more than you love Netflix. Let's talk about spinach, kale, and arugula. These leafy greens are packed with chlorophyll. Chlorophyll binds to toxins, helping your liver detox. Supporting phase 2 liver detox is crucial for your health. So, if you want a happy liver, load up on those greens. Juice cleanses? More sugar than detox, my friends. You think you're flushing out toxins, but really, you're just losing water. Whole fruits are where it's at. Juice just can't compete. Fiber is your best friend. It keeps blood sugar stable and helps remove waste. Your spice rack is a detox toolkit. Turmeric, ginger, cumin, and cinnamon reduce inflammation and help liver enzymes. You need protein to detox? Yes, really. Amino acids fuel your liver's detox enzymes. Add eggs, lentils, or tofu daily. One meal can support your liver. Or stress it out. Go easy on fried food, alcohol, and processed fats. Add cruciferous veggies and healthy fats like olive oil. This smoothie actually supports detox. Blend spinach, cucumber, lemon, ginger, chia, and coconut water. No sugar, no gimmicks, just nutrients. Your brain detoxes while you sleep. During deep sleep, your brain clears toxins via the glymphatic system. Aim for 7-8 hours. Your phone might be the most toxic thing in your life. Reduce blue light, screen time, and doom scrolling. They raise stress hormones. Try screen-free mornings. Deep breathing literally moves toxins. Slow nasal breathing boosts lymph flow and oxygenation. 5 deep breaths before meals helps too. Exercise isn't just about building muscle or burning fat. It's your body's natural detox system in motion. When you move, you boost blood and lymph circulation. It helps flush out waste, delivers nutrients faster, and keeps your organs working efficiently. So next time you work out, remember, you're cleansing from the inside out. Brush your skin before your shower, and here's why. Dry brushing boosts lymph flow, your body's natural detox pathway, and removes dead skin for a healthy glow. Use firm, gentle strokes, and always brush toward your heart to support circulation. Simple, quick, and surprisingly energizing. Your home might be making you tired, and it's not just from cleaning. Synthetic air fresheners, plastic bottles, and harsh cleaners release chemicals that pollute your indoor air. Swap them for natural alternatives and open your windows daily to let your space breathe. Small changes make a big difference. Decluttering isn't just about tidying up. It's a mental detox. When your environment is clean and simple, your mind follows. Less stuff means less stress, fewer distractions, and more space to breathe. Donate what you don't need, simplify what you keep, and notice how light you feel. You don't need to starve. Try this gentle fast. 12-hour overnight fasting gives your gut rest. It improves cell cleanup, also known as autophagy, hot and cold. This contrast is a powerful detox combo. Saunas help you sweat out toxins and open up your pores. Cold exposure boosts circulation and wakes up your lymphatic system. Together, they supercharge recovery and flush out waste like nothing else. Your emotions can be toxic too. Journaling, therapy, or talking helps clear emotional buildup. Don't bottle stress. Release it. Start your day like this to feel clean and calm. Hydrate, stretch, deep breathe. Practice gratitude. No phone for 20 minutes. Simple and powerful. Caffeine crash? Time to reset. Cut down gradually. Add water, herbal teas, and magnesium. Your energy will even out. A weekend cleanse won't undo daily drinks. Your liver needs time and nutrients, not detox shots. Reduce intake and hydrate double. Most detox pills are scams, except these. Milk thistle, NAC, and probiotics can support liver and gut health, but only with a clean diet. Here's a full-day detox schedule anyone can do. In the morning, start with lemon water and a walk. For lunch, focus on greens and protein. In the evening, have a light dinner, followed by some stretching and gratitude. You did it! Here's what should feel different now. Better digestion, energy, mood, and skin, all from simple habits. No magic powder, just consistency.